Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon and poppy seed loaf cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your sugar, your butter and your lemon zest and beat them all together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. For me this usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes, but may take more or less time depending on the climate of where you live. So just beat until light and fluffy. You'll know when it's achieved it, as it won't be so yellow and be much paler or even white. Don't forget to give your bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in previously, as you don't want any bits of sugar being worked in at the last moment. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs, beating well in between each addition, being careful not to scramble or split the mixture. Repeat the process until you have used up all of your eggs, then give the bowl another good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Don't forget to add in your dry ingredients and just mix this on a low speed to start with, working you up to a medium-high speed, and just as you think that the mixture is almost fully done, you can go ahead and add in your poppy seeds all at once. You don't need to stop the mixer, just do it while it's running and mix it until they are fully distributed throughout the batter. Give the bowl another good scraping down, and this is again just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Don't forget to grab your loaf pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper or a parchment liner, and place in all of the lemon and poppy seed cake batter as you possibly can. And yes, it may look close to the top, but don't worry, that's normal. Spread and level it out as best as you possibly can, as this does rise and you want it to be level and consistent, not with one giant crack. Then you can go ahead and place into your preheated oven and bake it off. All of that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. Then once your cake has around 5 minutes left in the oven, you can make the lemon drizzle that we're going to place on the cake. So into a bowl, simply place sugar and lemon juice, equal amounts, and mix together until fully combined. Then your cake should be ready. Take out the oven and stab multiple holes into the cake. I'm using my cake tester just to do this, but you can feel free to use a cocktail stick or whatever else you may have. Then generously brush over this lemon drizzle, and you'll want to get as much of this in there, so if it looks like it's flooding a little bit, don't worry, give it a little bit of time and it will sink into the cake. And then you can leave that for about 10-15 minutes or until fully cool. I recommend doing that. Then you can go ahead and make a glaze, which is just icing sugar and water. You want it to be thick enough to be spreadable, but not so loose that it'll drizzle all the way down the cake and leave like a very thin glaze. You're looking for quite a thick one on this occasion. Then you can go ahead and place it into the fridge to firm up for around 10-15 minutes and then slice it up and enjoy. I left mine overnight, but it was in a container so it wouldn't dry out. And then here is what the cake looks like on the inside. It looks so pretty. Look at the little specks of, poppy seeds. It works really well. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out my description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.